Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Hope you are doing well with your preparations. Today we are here to discuss Static GK Airports question for TISNET and CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous year papers there. It will be very helpful for your preparation. As we launch the CMAT crash course from 1st Feb, the course includes detailed day-wise schedule and covering all the important topics, and it's available for just rupees 1,999. And you can buy the 5 CMAT mocks as well for rupees 299. All the links are given in the description. Please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's start with the first question. Which of the following is the oldest port in India constructed by the British East India Company? The correct answer is Saima Prasad Mukherjee Port Trust. It is situated in Kolkata. Let's check the next question. Tezu Airport is located in? The correct answer is D. Arunachal Pradesh. Let's check the third question. Rajamundry Airport is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is D. Andhra Pradesh. Let's check the next question. Maharana Pratap Airport is located in? The correct answer is C. Udaipur. Let's check the next question. Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport is located in? The correct answer is B. Varanasi. Let's check the next question. Devi Ahilya Bai Holkar International Airport is situated in which of the following cities? The correct answer is C. Indore. And Indore is situated in which state? It's situated in Madhya Pradesh. Let's check the next question. Kempegowda International Airport is located in which of the following cities? The correct answer is E. Bangalore. Let's check the next question. Maharaja Agrasen International Airport is located in which of the following states? So the correct answer is E. Haryana. Maharaja Agrasen International Airport is called as Hisar Airport as well. Let's check the next question. Kushinagar International Airport is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Let's check the next question. Yalavada Narasimha Reddy Airport is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is C. Andhra Pradesh. Let's check the next question. Match the following airports with their respective cities where these are located. The correct answer is B. That is, the first one is Kempegowda International Airport. It is situated in Bangalore. Then Chaudhary Charan International Airport, situated in Lucknow. Lokpriya Gopinath Bordolai International Airport, situated in Guwahati. Jayaprakash Narayan International Airport, situated in Patna. Biju Patnaik International Airport, situated in Bhubaneswar. Let's check the next question. Veer Surendra Sai Airport is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is B. Odisha. Let's check the next question. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport is located in which of the following cities? The correct answer is C. Kolkata. Let's check the next question. Zurich Airport is located in which of the following countries? The correct answer is D. Switzerland. Let's check the next question. Which among the following ports in India has been renamed as Deen Dayal Port? The correct answer is Kandla. Let's check the next question. Fiumicino International Airport is located in which of the following countries? The correct answer is C. Italy. Let's check the next question. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is located in which of the following cities? The correct answer is E. Hyderabad. Let's check the next question. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport is located in which of the following cities? Correct answer is B. Ahmedabad. Let's check the next question. Where is the southernmost civilian airport located in India? Correct answer is C. Thiruvananthapuram. Let's check the next question. Dimapur Airport is a famous civil airport built during World War II. Is located in which of the following state? The correct answer is C. Nagaland. It is well connected through NH 29. Hope our video is helping you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.